Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos. Hello YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can convert HEIC files to the regular JPG format. So let's start the video. So if you own an iPhone 10 or a later iPhone, so then you're going to encounter this problem. So if you take a photo on your iPhone and when you transfer it to your PC or Mac, you're going to see the file format something like this. It will have your image name, and beside it will have the format that is HEIC. And if I open it, here you can see that install additional codec to work with this file, meaning that Windows is unable to open this format. So how can you convert this your iPhone images from HEIC to the regular JPG or PNG format? So first of all, you're going to open your browser and you're going to click on the link in the video's description. This site will open up iamazing.com/HEIC/download. From here, if you have a Mac, you're going to download for Mac. In my case, I have a Windows PC, so I'm going to click for download for PC, and it will open up a new page and it will start the download. I have already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it again. Here it is, the setup, iAmazing. You're going to right click on it, and let me just cancel it. It's saying that I have already downloaded this file. So I'm going to right click on the iAmazing setup and I'm going to run it as an administrator. Yes. And now I am going to install the software that will convert the HEIC files to the regular JPG or PNG format. I accept the agreement. Next. The location wherever you want it to install. Next. Create a desktop shortcut. Next. Install. So now it's going to install iAmazing HEIC converter. So finish. So here it is, our HEIC converter. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to drop some files here so that we can convert them. You can either drop them or you can just click on file and you can here open files, press on open file. Both the methods are same. So I have the files on the desktop iPhone 10 folder, and here are some images. So let me just select these 5 images. I'm going to press on open. Here it is. You can see it is actually showing the pictures, and from here I can check the format whether I want the JPG or PNG format, and here is the quality, and I'm going to press on convert. So now it's going to ask for a location where the final images being converted want to be saved. So I'm just going to go to my maybe I'm going to just save them on my desktop. You can create a folder and you can save them there as well. So now it's converting, and this converter is really fast as compared to the other online converters available. So I highly recommend this converter for HEIC files. Okay, it has completed. Okay, so let me just quit it, and here you can see on the desktop I have these files. So let me just open this one, and here you can see the picture that wasn't opening before because it was in an HEIC format, and now it has been opened on my PC because it is in a JPG format. And you can see that there is no loss in quality. The picture is crystal clear. Let me go to the properties. And let me go to details. So let me drag down, and it has preserved all the dimensions, and in general you can see that type of file, it is a JPG file, so it has converted the file. So anyways guys, this was a quick video to show you how you can convert HEIC files to the regular JPG or PNG format files. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching this video.